Hello, in this video I will talk about package dependency. So let's go. This is content we will do. First we will see package dependency, then I will give you the demo. Now let's see what is the meaning of package dependency. If you observed here, you can see that I am calling the function add42 in from the package 42. If you carefully observed, what does it mean? It means that call 42 function depend on the add 42 function. So that is the package dependency. If you observed very carefully, I didn't write any library command, as you can see, and why I not write library command you will understand in the next slide. But whenever you share your code or making the package, you just need to write import and the package name and in the description file actually. Now recall what I told you in my previous video, that what library command do. Library command load your R binary code into the in the RAM, right? But in this situation, what I want to do, I want to share my code or packages to the public through my email. You can share your code from any source, from email, Google Drive, or Cran or GitHub, whatever you like. But in this situation, I just want to share my code. So writing library command making no sense. Let's suppose that if by chance in your hard computer only one package is there and you just calling the function in the R, it gives you the error. So these all things are automatically handled for you. You don't need to worry about it. Let's suppose that you make a package or any application which use the 20 package function of 20 packages. So you don't need to worry about all the things, because R automatically handles and you don't need to worry about that. This is R Studio and this is a 42 package. So here if you see in the source code, so this is a function add42, which is a very simple function which add 42 to the vector. So similarly I made another package call 42. So if you see the source code of this, you will find that I am calling the add42 function from the package 42. So I need to write in the description file. This is a description file and I open this, and here you have to type import 42 package name. So that's what all the things you need to do. Now what I do, I build the call 42 package. I click it run button, so it will build your call 42 task file. So this is your call 42 package. What I do now, I installed in the R. So go to the package here and installed. So select here, I want to install the compressed file, package archive file. So browse it. Now click the package on the package and open. Then press install. So my package is installed. Now what I do, I am just creating a vector v123. Now I am calling the call 42 library. Now I am using the call 42 function. So if you observed here, he says that I cannot find add 42. So that is the error by chance you get. If you to solve this problem, I need to search a package which contain add42 function. So here this is a 42 package. So this is a package. So first what I do, I convert into the compressed file. So I run this command. Now I again installed. So this is a package. So I open it. So now what I do, I library 42 package, 42, control enter. So if I run this now, you finally got the result 43, 44 or 45. So 42 plus 1, 43, 42 plus 2, 44. So that's like that. It is a very simple function. That is the video of package dependency. So thank you.